So much destruction.
Certainly. Let's check in with meteorologist Mike Nico now and get the latest. Mike?
Yeah, that's going to continue moving off to the coast and eventually leave everybody behind as we head towards the weekend. It's going to open the door for some really cold conditions. So what an about phase from a tropical storm to cold conditions. But it just shows once again how tropical storms have their own life and how they have their own destruction that they leave behind, as this one chewed up a lot of coast as opposed to the Category 4 that hit on the other side that did more flooding from the storm surge. Back here at home, we got a small chance of some wet weather, but enjoy a wonderful evening. Look at this. As we look down from Mount Tam, you can see the transition already beginning from day to night. We've got a chance of wet weather tonight and tomorrow. It's a very small chance. It's barely on the storm impact scale, but it's there. So I want to talk more about it in a few seconds. Breezy and brighter and milder for Sunday. Maybe a better day for outdoor activities, except for along the coast where those winds could be a little aggressive Sunday. And then mainly sunny, dry, and milder next week as we try to warm those temperatures back closer to average levels. So for tomorrow, we've got a chance of drizzle, some aggressive drizzle, some rain in the morning, and then some scattered light showers. Best chance will be across the North Bay. It could create a few slick spots up there. So here's a look at our area of low pressure, and you can definitely see the cold front out ahead of it, and that's why there's two parts to this storm. The first one you can see is still up to our north at 5 o'clock. And here's a look at those high clouds that are moving away just as the sun sets. So enjoy the stars. Increasing clouds as we head deeper into the evening hours, especially across the North Bay. Looks pretty quiet at 11 o'clock, but there's a chance of a little drizzle possible and that light rain that we talked about. But notice it is pretty dry by the time 9 o'clock rolls around, and sunshine breaking out everywhere tomorrow morning. Enjoy that through about the mid parts of the afternoon hours. And then you can see increasing clouds coming in from the north. Radar looks a little more impressive with the second part of this system. Even a yellow showing up there around Knoxville, and some snow up there in the Mendocino and Lake County, more Lake County mountains. So it gives you an idea of just how much colder that is going to be. So as we head into the latter parts of the afternoon into the evening hours, notice as this sinks south, it just falls apart and we're left with mainly clouds. So if you're outside the North Bay, there's not likely a chance you're going to get much rain. In fact, tomorrow morning we're looking at pretty much nothing, and then that second wave comes through and maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch at best. That's why I said this thing's barely holding on by its fingertips to the storm impact scale. Temperatures outside right now, 55 at Half Moon Bay to about 61 in Santa Rosa. Good thing there's not much of a breeze, so you don't have to worry about the wind chill if you're heading out this evening. Tonight's temperatures, where the cloud cover remains locked in, which is just about all of us, low to mid 40s, but we'll see some clearing late up in the North Bay, and that colder air coming in will drop you into the upper 30s tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we'll be in the same ballpark as today, upper 50s to about the low 60s. All right, let's take a look at my AccuWeather 7-day forecast. And what you're going to see is, with a light offshore breeze, will be a little bit warmer. Sunday, 58 at the coast to 66, and grab the sunglasses. You'll definitely need them. We'll pull back a little bit on those temperatures Monday, and then our warmest, driest, and sunniest afternoons will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and to a lesser extent Thursday and Friday next week. So a small blip tomorrow wouldn't change any plans, and then it's going to be dry for a while.
So nice. All right. Thanks, Mike.
You bet.